In this video, I'll show you how you can refund on the Square app. So what we want to do is just first load up Square here, and then we want to select transactions found at the bottom. So once we click on transaction like this, then I'll refer us to this article. So we have done this, we have clicked on transactions. Now we need to select the payment we would like to refund, and we can also search for the payment by card number, phone, customer name, or receipt. So here in the top you will have a search bar. Now after we have selected the payment itself, we will need to tap on issue refund. Then we can tap select all items to refund the entire sale, or select only specific items to refund, and then we can select amount to refund a specific amount. Next we will need to click on next, and we can choose if we would like to refund the amount and select the reason for the refund. After we have typed all of that, we will simply click on refund, and that's gonna refund on the Square POS app point of sale. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.